I'm orange. Feel the tan.
What's up, Uppercut Throw Punch fans? How's it going? We're gonna have a episode of Wild Game today.
I'm already having
something I've never had and something that most people have never had.
savage.
Side, dude. Saw the inside, dude.
Nope.
Do it again. Oh, there you go.
Oh, jeez. That looks fake, but it's real.
Dude. Headshot from right there.
That's wild.
You want to see the skull?
He
Busted
did a 360 no scope. Present your kill. Oh, yeah, that looks nice. Do you ever keep that?
Yeah. I should though.
Yeah, you should.
Just spread it out.
That looks pretty cool. Guns are not toys. Guns are not toys. So do you eat that?
No.
Why not? Your great granddad
As a
did.
kid, you want to do a cooking show real quick?
I'm okay with not eating that.
Well, you want to do it real
I
quick?
just wondering. Well, how would you do a cooking show?
There's the breastbone. There's a slice of meat off of it. And all that we're gonna cook up. Alright, so now what we're gonna do, I'm gonna wash my hands. We're gonna start cooking. Alright, oh that's cooking. That's all we need. That's simple. 3 steps.
By all means, if you kill a bird at home, please cook it. While Andrew is cooking me dinner because he cares about me, I have to do all the hunting, you know, because of course
yeah.
I'm the hunter.
Yeah.
You can tell by my looks that I'm the hunter. That's why this bullet happened to drop all the gunpowder.
I'm gonna be honest.
Don't do it. Ever. That is actually smelling good. Believe it or not, it really is. I am the master of all things.
Let's get a close up on this. How about it?
Yes, I do cooking. You see that? All that's in my mind right now is that this was alive just a few minutes ago. Okay, so taste test. Andrew, go first because he was built tough. Yeah?
It tastes pretty good.
It actually, wow. Wow, Andrew, wow.
I'm a good cook now.
He's a pretty good cook. This is really good. Well, that was pretty good.
This one is for Portland and America.
Really?